The success of any project is built on a foundation of preparation, and in this course we're going to take your skills to the next level by creating an escape room in UEFN. We'll start by actually setting the project up, working with revision control to make sure that you don't lose any of your progress, utilizing pre-built POIs to maximize our level design, and build engaging puzzles to challenge our players, as well as give our players agency by giving them options in conversation trees with NPCs. We'll even build advanced puzzles by using the verse scripting language, treat our players to a cinematic sequence to help build narrative, and by playtesting we'll go ahead and iron out all the bugs to make sure that we have an experience that is suitable for our players. Hi, I'm Ian Southwell, Creative Director here at Cleverlike Studios. If any or all of this sounds exciting to you, then join us in building an escape room here inside of UEFN. And of course we invite you to go ahead and play this escape room inside of Fortnite. Just go ahead and use the island code that you see on screen now.